Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pickle pork. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need a good cut of fresh pork belly, along with coarse salt and your favorite pickling spices. Make sure your container is perfectly clean and sterile to ensure a safe and delicious result. High-quality ingredients are key for the best flavor, so choose wisely. Now, let's begin the curing process. Take your pork belly and generously rub it with a mixture of salt and your chosen pickling spices. Ensure every surface is covered for even curing. Once seasoned, carefully place the pork into your sterile container. Then, refrigerate it for at least 3 to 5 days, allowing the flavors to develop and the pork to cure properly. Next, we'll prepare the pickling brine. In a pot, combine water, vinegar, a touch of sugar, and any extra spices you desire for a rich flavor. Bring this mixture to a boil, then remove it from the heat. It's crucial to let the brine cool completely to room temperature before proceeding. Once cooled, submerge your cured pork entirely in the brine. Finally, let's talk about storage and serving. Keep your delicious pickled pork refrigerated in its brine for up to 2 weeks, ensuring it stays fresh and flavorful. When you're ready to enjoy it, simply slice it thin and serve it as a fantastic appetizer or a savory side dish. It's truly a versatile treat. Also, don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.